South Hills Village. Oh! We just made it. Oh shit, look at this. It's jam-packed.
Sorry.
Wait,
Wait, take it off.
we're gonna have to stand. Here.
Here.
I'm standing like I did last time.
Door nudging. We know where to.
Angelica.
We're gonna have to stand. Whoa! What? We're the last stop. What station is this? He's back there. Oh, look, we're out of the tunnels.
You start from each view.
Approaching First Avenue.
Alright, we're not getting off here.
Please stand clear of the
Get away
doors.
from the door, please.
Patrick, we have seats.
Alright. Where?
Go on, you sit down. I don't want to sit.
I can stand.
Oh, good.
Going across the bridge. Oh. There's the incline up here. Should we get off at Station Square or no? Or just go to South? We'll just go to South Hills. Yeah, we'll just go to South Hills Village.
Don't you have to go up that way?
We're going the right way. Let's just go to South Hills Village.
Oh yeah, take that one tunnel.
Please use a stop request button when you want to exit the vehicle.
Don't press it yet.
Approaching Station Square.
No, it's not it. It's not going here. There's a nice view of Pittsburgh and downtown. Where's the steel building?
It's behind
That's
the
behind the melon. There's the melon.
Need that button? Hey boy.
Oh, good. Don't let me forget that. I don't want to forget my Pittsburgh stuff. I'm sitting on it. Which is cool. Film the Subway.
I am.
Why did we eat Subway? I should have put my the heck? There we go.
Oh, memory full? Hey.
My memory is not full. Don't delete anything though. You got some good tower videos. Are we going back into the subway tunnels? I think so. We're headed back into the under. We're going up here. Oh, this is we're going under Mount Washington. Mount Washington tunnels. back in the tunnels. This is cool. I rode this last time. You rode this last time?
I rode this before.
This is a 42S South Hills Village. It does not serve Overbrook.
When we were there?
Passengers using low-level
Oh,
stops
it's
must
a pretty
board the
long
first
ride.
car.
I went from Beachview.
Approaching South Hills Junction.
Junction, it's not Village.
I know, Village.
South Hills Junction is like a turnpike or something. Oh, we're exiting the tunnel again.
Yeah, I know exactly how to get there. It's the last stop. South Hills Village.
It feels, this is a train, but it feels like a bus when it goes out here. Look at all that, wow, look at all that. Wait till Glue sees this. Alex is gonna love this.
Subway, yeah, not out here.
Pittsburgh.
Go.
Well, downtown anymore.
It goes back under a tunnel when you get by Mount Lebanon, but it's not that
Lebanon.
big a
Is
tunnel.
that a mall? Mount Lebanon is actually a mall, Galleria, but it only doesn't have any stores. Well, it doesn't have any department stores like Macy's or anything. It used to be a Kaufman's. There's 2 stories, but I'm not gonna go there. Oh, he's stopping, or it could be traffic. Why aren't you filming?
That was a good time. Yeah, my memory's full.
Yeah.
Approaching Palm Garden.
Ah. Palm Garden. Wow, that's
They have a long mile.
They should build an express train to South Hills Village. They should do that.
I know.
And they should also make it go to Monroeville Mall and Westmoreland and Ross Park and do
mall
North
train.
Braddock and my house. I can go from your house to my house quick.
Hey, look, there's Liberty Tunnel.
Liberty Tunnels.
Yeah, we're getting close to the beach.
Those are old. That's an old tunnel.
I know.
We went that way when we went to Century 3 Mall. We went that way. That must be the exit.
I don't know so far.
When we come back, we can go to the W Hotel and the Hilton and the Marriott again, and your places to go back to.
Yeah, my memory's full.
I can film them though.
Can I be on
You'll
the
still be,
video?
yeah, you'll be on my videos.
Alright. Beaver Valley Mall.
Whoa. Yeah, I can go.
Puberty.
You can also go to what place? Robinson Town Mall or Mall at Robinson.
Yeah.
All right.